Just a short video. So the JVC VHSC camera or camcorder. It's a GR-FX11 model. The actual camera is in very good clean condition. Fully works. Nothing wrong with that at all. Comes with a nice big bag for your accessories, a genuine power supply, carrier strap, a jack plug AV lead, a manual which is really good, 4 tapes. These are used and they do have stuff on it, but just blank them out to be okay. Does come with a battery. It will need replacing because it only lasts for 7 minutes. But batteries, I've seen them on eBay, brand new, a battery from £12 up to £45, but 12 quid brand new, that ain't bad. I'll just show you it quickly working. I'll do this live. So the battery, you put the back bit in first, then clip it in. When you lift up, power lights up, so I'll lift it on. Go over to my telly, it won't be a second. Get the AV lead. Plugs in like so. Telly's not included. This is just the camcorder and the accessories for it. I'll just show you, there is a tape in here already. Ouch, hurt my finger. There isn't no black bars, I can see. This is my camera doing this. Different refresh rate from the old telly. But as you can see, camera works perfect. Camcorder works perfect, I should say. And my telly doesn't. But can't see it in there, so just press rewind. So it's getting harder and harder to find these tapes now. It's almost round. I wonder if it'd be quicker if I press stop, then rewind. Five minutes. So I've actually, I charged the battery last night and it took the charge okay, but it only lasts for 7 minutes. Battery's done. Press eject. Or pull eject. there you have it. Thank you.